Xiaomi has just unveiled a new cell phone that looks premium but is actually low-end. It is the Redmi A3 that has been presented in India with simple specifications, but I insist that its look is very reminiscent of what Huawei uses in its Mate series and what is recently using Honor in its Magic series, Oppo in its X series, and other manufacturers in their higher-end series. This device integrates a 6.7-inch screen with LCD technology and HD Plus resolution with 90 Hz in its refresh rate. Its processor is the MediaTek Helio G33 that is accompanied by an eMMC 5.1 storage, so it is a very simple storage and a LPDDR4X RAM. The rear camera is 8 megapixels and is accompanied by a camera simply for decoration because it is 0.08 megapixels. Completely useless, and on the front comes with a 5 megapixel camera for selfies. In this case it does come with headphone jack and also slot for micro SD cards in addition to the side fingerprint reader and USB-C port. It has support for 4G networks, Bluetooth 5.3, and its battery is 5000 mAh with support for 10 watts charging. The most basic version has 3 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage and was announced at a price of 7,299 rupees. That's about $90 to give you an idea, but remember that prices here are not the same as over there. There is also a version with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which would be the middle version, and the top version has 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage at a price of 9,299 rupees. That's approximately $110. This device will be available in lake blue, midnight black, and olive green colors. Let me know what you think and what you think of manufacturers introducing devices with such simple specs but with a look that makes them seem high-end.